stopping by. I hope you're doing fine. And if you're new to my channel, hello, I am Karina and I love to paper craft and also to organize my crafty supplies. So if you are interested in watching this type of videos, just click the subscribe button and tap that bell so you can get notified when I upload new videos. Thank you very much. In today's video, I have received a couple of requests from you here in YouTube and also in Instagram. I have an account in Instagram and I will leave it here. I go by KC Westfall 48. And some of you have asked me, how do I film videos? What kind of cameras do I use? What is my setup? So I am going to show you all the gear, you know, from lights to tripods, camera, etc. in this video. So let's go ahead and move on so you can view my YouTube setup. Okay, so here we are at the studio and I'm gonna show you my setup, how I film videos. So I use these 3 lights. I bought these at Amazon and I'm going to link the product information in the description box below. So here we go. We keep turning around and this is my crafty table. As you can see, I have been working, so I just want to keep this video real. I was working on some stuff and I use this extension or camera holder. I'm gonna leave the product name and information in the description box below. I bought all these things at Amazon, and as you can see, I had this stand that I used to use for to put my docking station, laptop, etc. So now I'm using these to hold my camera. Here is where I put my camera, so my camera is upside down and then will face, you know, the crafty table. So, and down here I have my sewing machine and my messy desk at this moment. And these lights, I love it because my craft room doesn't have enough light. I only have like 2 windows and everything is in the center, and I live in a really old house, so I love these lights. They are like day lights, especially for cloudy days. I turn them on even if I'm not filming. I use them, you know, to craft. And I used 2 cameras, so I wish I wouldn't have known about how to film with your phone. December last in 2017, yeah, that's when my husband got me the Canon. So this is the Canon camera that I started filming my videos. I'm going to leave the camera information in the description box below. Viewfinder doesn't flip, it's just steady, but the quality of the camera is really good. The autofocus, I hated it. It makes sounds. It was not really good. So here is the Sony camera. I just love it. It's just so compact. It's less heavier than the Canon, and I love that it has the viewfinder that flips. Let me see if I can do this. It's kind of hard to do it with one hand, but you see the viewfinder, so if I'm filming my intros, I can see myself. This camera is a vlogging camera, but it's a very good quality camera, and it's a very good camera. I love the autofocus. I love the fact that it's smaller, so I can carry it and vlog as well. Yeah, so this is how I film my videos. You know, the lights, my crafty desk, this extension, and eventually I would like to have something, you know, in my ceiling, and I don't know, probably another more year. You know, every year I'm just being revamping new things and what I do and how I'm going to be filming and all that. So if you like this video, just don't forget to give the thumbs up, share this video with any of your friends and family. And if you haven't done so, please click that button and subscribe and tap that bell so you can get notified when I upload new videos. Thank you very much, my crafty friends, and see you on my next video. Bye.